and trick to solve this. Many students solve the question by giving a lot of time to this type of question, but today I will tell you the short trick of such question. In such question, we have to see where is the highest number, lowest in term of highest, it is a bring most in term of the lowest. 4, 2, 1 and 21. 21 is higher number as compared as 4 to 1. Then what we can do? We can do only multiply or a square. Multiply 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9, but it's 21. With the help of multiplication, 21 is not according to 4 multiply 2 multiply 1. So what? It's a 4 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. That is 21. And next one is 6 square plus 7 square plus 3 square. Then what is your right answer? 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49 and 3 square is 9. 9 or 9 18, 18 to 20 424. 43729. 4 is in option number D. That is the right answer. Option number D is the right answer. This is your question and please comment fast. Thank you.